Struggling to hold a plank, practice any exercise on the floor or drive vehicle because of wrist pain? The reason could be restricted wrist mobility. Hello from your Fab Fitness coach and cheer buddy Harshita. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we discuss and practice fitness beyond skills and numbers. And today we will be training for our wrist mobility using a resistance band. तो शुरू करते हैं with some wrist circles in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. फोरआर्म के मसल्स को थोड़ा सा और एंगेज एंड एक्टिवेट करने के लिए वी विल बी प्रैक्टिसिंग अ ड्राइविंग मोशन जिसको हम बोलेंगे फ्लेक्शन एंड एक्सटेंशन. मूविंग ऑन टू योर रिस्ट डेविएशन यानी टेकिंग योर रिस्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट विदाउट मूविंग योर हैंड्स टू मच. थोड़ी देर हाथों को सीधा ही रखेंगे विदाउट बेंडिंग योर एल्बोज टू मच एंड हैंड्स इन शोल्डर लेवल. फिस्ट को सामने दिखा के थोड़ी देर लेफ्ट टू राइट एंड देन फिस्ट को नीचे की तरफ दिखा के वी विल डू राइट टू लेफ्ट. Feeling every muscle getting activated in your forearms right now. Once we are done with this, open up your palms and repeat the same movement. Hands at shoulder level, palms go into flexion and extension. Palms up is your extension, palm down is your flexion. Moving on to left to right deviation. Palms facing down. Repeat this for a few repetitions. Next, we will be doing flexion deviation. Yani fingers facing down, palms facing to your body and moving it left to right. Up next, face your palms forward and move it left to right like a bye-bye. Now that your wrist joint and your muscles around your forearms are slightly warmed up and ready, we will move on to more mobility drills. Resting your forearm on your thigh, wrist at the edge of your knee, stabilizing your forearm, moving only the wrist into a flexion and extension. We will repeat this in the palm up position, which is called supination, and a palm down position, which is called pronation. On both the hands. Once done on both the hands, keep your hands stable in a supine position. सिर्फ wrist से circle करना है with your palms open in a clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Repeat this again on both the hands. And on that note, we are well equipped to start loading our wrist a little bit now. Position yourself in an all-fours position with your fingers facing each other, and we will go into a wrist flexion, loading slight weight on one hand at a time, alternating the sides for a few repetitions. And then doing it together on both the hands. Make sure you're not adding a lot of load. Very slight and bearable. Keeping the movement slow and controlled. अब आती है बारी wrist and around the muscles of your forearm की strengthening की. So grab your mini loop resistance band, place it around your foot and hold it in this way. अपने हाथ को rest करो आपके thigh के ऊपर and wrist at the edge of your knee. We're gonna push this outward. Keeping your hand in a supine position, यानी palm facing up, press the resistance band outside into a radial deviation. बस इसी मूवमेंट का उल्टा हमें करना है विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज अल्नार डेविएशन, यानी कि हाथ को अंदर की तरफ रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेन करना है विदाउट मूविंग योर फोरआर्म फ्रॉम योर थाइज टू स्टेबलाइज इट. एंड रिपीट फॉर 5 to 8 reps. After practicing radial deviation and ulnar deviation, we're going to practice a flexion and extension with resistance band. Let the resistance come from the floor. Keep your palm facing up in a supine position. Hold the resistance band and go into a wrist curl. Just like we do a bicep curl, but forearm ko upar nahi aane deta. It's a wrist curl. Practice this for few repetitions. After practicing your wrist curls, that is resistance band supported wrist flexion, we're gonna bring our hands upside down in a pronation position and go into a driving motion called as wrist extension with a resistance band. Again, repeating this for 5 to 10 counts. Once done with one hand, we will repeat all of these movements on the other hand one at a time. Starting with a radial deviation in a supine position, that is taking your wrist on the outside against the resistance. Repeating the movement on the opposite side, keeping a supine position into an ulnar deviation, taking the hand on the inside, applying the resistance coming from the outside. Up next, going into a flexion, that means wrist curls. And then moving on to extension like a driving movement against the resistance. Remember to keep your forearm stable on a flat surface or on your thigh and wrist at the edge doing all these movements. You're not moving your hand but your wrist. And here comes the finale move, the assisted extension. Lock your wrist on the floor, keeping your palms relaxed on the floor, and try to lift your hand up towards your body. Pull your hand forward and go into a full extension. Again, try to touch your forearm towards your fingers and hold and bring it back. Repeat it on both the sides for 5 to 8 counts and you're good to go. Alright, that's the end. Make sure to practice this often for a stronger and mobile forearm and wrist. If you like this routine, be sure to share it with a friend and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.